Before doing any serious digging in your garden, call your local utility companies to make sure you won't actually disturb any underground wires, cables, or pipes. Place a stake in the ground at the bottom of the slope and another at the top and tie a level line between them. Measure the distance between the two stakes to find the run of the slope, and the distance from the top to the bottom to find the rise. You'll need to build a series of terraces to level your garden, preferably no more than 5 feet, 1.5 meters long, and 2 feet, 0.61 meters deep. The number of terraces is based on the rise and run. So, for example, if the rise of your garden is 8 feet, 2.4 meters, and the run is 20 feet, 6.1 meters, you'll need 4 terraces. Mark your garden off into a series of sections for each terrace, then dampen the soil lightly to soften it 24 hours before you plan to start digging. Dig a shallow trench horizontally along each section to mark where the walls will go between the terraces. The depth of the trench will depend on the materials you're using, but if you're making the walls out of timber, aim to have the wall about halfway under the ground and halfway above. You may need to reinforce the wall with stakes or pipes. Once the walls are in place, move soil from the rear side of each terrace to the front and spread it evenly across the length and the width of the terrace. Once you're sure the terrace is level, mix a little compost into the soil with a tiller to help it retain water. Finally, flatten each terrace with a soil compactor before planting anything in your garden.